You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video is another trade breakdown. I feel like I was overdue as far as these trade breakdowns, so we got another one today. Honestly, it's not gonna just be one trade breakdown. I'm gonna be breaking down the loss, breaking down the wins that we took, and breaking down setups that I didn't take that was clean. Yeah, I just felt like I was overdue, so that's why I'm making this video. So let's get into it. So, I gotta say this. GBP, JPY, RIP. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to yen, the pound yen. Okay, because bro, I done missed so many good setups on NAS. I done missed setups on GU. Rocking with GJ, bro. And GJ was just, bro. After this video, you will never hear me talk about pound yen ever. So this will be the last ever video I will ever upload on my channel about GBP, JPY. If you don't know, now you know. I'm not rocking with GJ no more. Now let's get into this video. So Monday, I'm just gonna start with NAS. I'm gonna go to pound USD and then Euro USD, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. So NAS100, I didn't trade that much this week, honestly. I missed some setups messing with GJ, and yeah, NAS didn't throw a lot of supply and demand subs because that's mainly what I was trading this week. But let's get into it. So Monday, there really wasn't any type of setup that I liked. So Tuesday, this is a beautiful supply setup. Okay, a lot of people took it in the group, but however, I didn't take it because that day I was focused on GJ, and GJ looked very clean. So yeah, I ended up losing on GJ, but this was a very clean setup. This is aggressive selling in this area. Aggressive selling started from over here in this area, and it started dropping. And once the New York Stock Exchange opened around like right up in here, like 9:30, 9:45, it started shooting back up, and it started rejecting that area. So like people in the group, they started selling, and some of them won, some of them lost, which I don't know how, depending on where they put their stop loss at. But honestly, I would have put my stop loss right here instead of like having it like super tight, because this candle right here, if you would have had a tight stop loss, it probably would have stopped you out and then went down. So like you got to make sure the stop loss makes sense. Don't just have a tight stop loss because you want a higher RR. Like, bro, no. So I didn't take this setup, but this is a very, very good setup. But this day was crazy, man, because like that drop, like I even thought that it was gonna keep going because we had so many gaps over here that needed to get filled in. But no, it just kept going up. So that was tough. But this is like a good little supply setup right here for a sale. Wednesday, I don't trade, so I just don't trade. So it was no trade. Thursday, I took this trade. Very beautiful demand setup. This actually happened before the New York Stock Exchange. It created a demand area with these two candles, created a demand, and it tapped back into it, and I bought right here, had my stop loss right here, and it started shooting up. I got my my 101. I left a little runner, and see, now when I trade before the New York Stock Exchange open, I gotta get out when the New York Stock Exchange open, like literally. So I made sure I let everybody know, like, I'm getting out at 9:30. So I got out like up in here, or somewhere up in here. But you see what happened. As soon as it opened, which was about right here, it wicked all the way down, then went back up, then dropped. Like, it just chaos. So that was smart for us to actually get out before the New York Stock Exchange opened. Well, I mean, we know what happens. Like, this is really nothing new. We know what happens. So yeah, that was a dub right there for sure. Then it started dropping like crazy, man. Thursday, some of the people in the Discord took this little supply right here. Aggressive selling starting from over here, came back into it and then dropped, and then it just started shooting up. So that was like your only chance to take a setup on Thursday. Was this Thursday? What's today? No, yeah, this is Thursday. No. That's Friday. My fault. This Friday. So yeah, this is the only setup that you could possibly take far as NAS on this drop, far as supply. But then they create like a little 2 candle demand down here. But I was good. Because I took GU. Now that was really it for NAS. Like I only took like one good setup. I took this setup. I missed this setup, which I really wanted to take it, but it's all good. NAS gonna keep throwing setups, so we good. But GU. Now GU, let's go all the way back, man. GU was, bro, when I tell you, I love GBPUSD, man. I don't know what it is, but when it comes to supply and demand, GU is like on point, bro. Like it was just throwing hella good setups. Got a demand down here, boom. Another demand back to back, boom. Hitting, like runners are hitting. Like imagine, see, that's why I be trying to stress to with people that trade this type of style. You gotta leave runners, man, because imagine if you would have took a buy down here and you would have held that, man. Like you could have, like, bro, like if you have the ability or the strength to like hold these trades, you can, bro, that 1-1 can turn into a 1-10, 1-11, 1-15, because like, bro, just hold it. You know what I'm saying? It's hard for me to hold it too sometimes, but you missing out on all of this because you just want to get that quick money when you can just hold it for multiple days, and then, you feel me? So yeah, GU on Monday, busting. It was just busting, bro. Like these was just 2 clean ass setups. Yeah, so let's just go on Tuesday. Tuesday, it did a liquidity grab setup. I didn't take this setup, but this was also a beautiful setup. It wicked below this candle and then bounced up. That's a liquidity grab. I didn't take that setup, but I did take this setup. So it created demand right here, came out of it, popped back into it, and then I bought right here, stop loss down here, and that was just a quick dub. Like that was just a quick dub, just clean, right? You know what I'm saying? Like GU was just on point, and that's why I don't like GJ, because GU throwing clean setups, but GJ is not throwing clean setups. How is that even possible if they move the same? I'm over yen pairs, bro. I'm just over it. You know what I'm saying? So what was that? That was Tuesday. Wednesday, didn't trade. Thursday. Thursday, I didn't like GU. I didn't like GU like that. Some of y'all took this little sale right here. This sale right here, let me do no, I ain't gonna do a replay mode. These 2 candles right here created supply. It dropped, came back into it, and then you could have sold right here. And put your stop loss literally right there. And you could have took it. You could have, how many pips was that? Just off of this one candle. 10 pips off of this is one candle. Like that's all I really need, to be honest. But even though it came back up, it never disrespected the supply. So you could have held it only if you put your stop loss above here. Only if you would have put it above the entire supply zone, then you could have won. But other than that, like you probably would have got stopped out. Well, not stopped out, because it gave you a 1-1. So you should at least move your stop loss to break even, and then you would have been good. But yeah, GU was on gas this past week. I'm not gonna lie. What is going on, bro? Okay. Yeah, GU was on gas, bro, for sure. And then this was Friday. Friday, man, bro. I wanted to take this setup so bad, bro. You got, like, when it comes to news, man, like it's so weird how news will react to supply and demand zones. Like people don't be understanding. Like they'll go to a certain area, but not knowing like that's a supply zone, and they're going off. They're bouncing right on that area to reject from. So like this candle right here at 8:30, it was some USD news. It literally wicked right into that box. Some of y'all had y'all sell limits right here. I know y'all did. Y'all had y'all sell limits right there. I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I still wait for confirmation, and I didn't take this sell. You know what I'm saying? I could have took a sell right here, but I'm just not having no big ass stop loss. So it was over with. And then I just waited. I waited. And then I see that it created another supply. It dropped, tapped back into it. I sold, boom, I was done. Just off of this one candle, I was done. So right there, stop loss is literally up here. And I took that candle, I was done. Like I didn't need nothing else. And yeah. So as you can see, the most profitable pair last week was GU, bro. Like I don't know what it was, but like, man, like that's 2 dubs right there. 2 dubs right there. Like I didn't trade Thursday, but this was a trade that played out, that won. This is another trade but this trade right here was kind of risky because it was news. But if you took it, you could have won. And another supply, you could have won. And these all are supply and demand setups. Like these are, besides this one, this is a liquidity grab setup, but all of these are supply and demand setups, and they all hit last week. So it was just so much money on GU to be made. You know what I'm saying? So let me go on EU. So EU, I didn't take this setup right here. People took it because some people missed that GU call that I called out in the group. Y'all missed it, so y'all ended up seeing this setup on EU, and y'all took it, and it was a dub. I did take an L on this setup, which this honestly, I'm gonna be honest, this supply box was huge, but I'm just still following my rules, and it broke the candle. So as it broke this candle, I sold, and it immediately reversed, hit my stop loss, boom, I lost. Just like that. That one candle dipped below, then shot back up, lost instantly. Nothing I could do. I'm following my rules. I'm not thinking about, oh, is this too big or too small? Like it left the gap, came back, filled in the gap, dropped, and then it reversed, and I lost. So after I lost, that's when I looked at the GU trade, and I mean, maybe my money back and some. And then I could have took this setup right here, but by that time I'm done. I'm satisfied. Like I don't like over trading. And it is what it is. And this was a clean setup too. Like anybody that was in the group that took this sell, bro, come on now, like eating, bro. That's why I say leave runners, man, so you can maximize them profits. So that was Friday. I didn't trade EU like that. This Thursday, I didn't trade EU like that. I didn't like this price action. Thursday on EU was just like, bro, what is this, man? What is this? Wednesday did not trade. And look at all this volume. I think this was news. Honestly, yeah, I think this was news. Had to be, because it's just too much buying power right there. Tuesday, did not trade EU on Tuesday, not gonna lie. And Monday, I didn't like this price action, not gonna lie, didn't like it. So really the profitable pair for last week was GU off rip. GU was just on gas, man. I'm still mad that I missed this NAS100 setup, man. I was just so pissed off because it's so irritating when you have like the trade style that I use. You're gonna constantly see setups, but you got to be smart about which ones you pick. And it's irritating when you pick the losing one and the other one win. That's irritating. I'm not gonna lie. Even for me, like it's irritating. What was that? Yeah, this setup right here, I didn't take it, but everybody in the group took it. I didn't take it, and I took bum ass GJ and lost. So yeah, that was about all the subs that I saw as far as the trade style that I use, because I mainly be trading supply and demand. I'm about to get back into trading like liquidity grab setups, so y'all be ready for that, because I'm about to definitely if I see like a deep liquidity grab, like a long wick, and it's wicking below the previous low and it's going back up, I'm getting in that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just needed the market to get back to normal. I feel like it's like, I feel like next week, well, this week actually, it's gonna get back to normal. But it's definitely been like some fluke setups, especially with GJ. I just think GJ is just trash in my opinion. But I feel like it's gonna get back to normal, man. Like it's gonna be the same setups over and over, supply and demand, wait for it to hit your zone, reject, boom, we in. Like it's gonna be the same thing over and over. You just gotta be patient, don't jump the gun, and look at the higher time frame for sure. But I hope y'all learned something from this these trade breakdowns, the wins, losses, and setups that I didn't take, but that's just part of my trading style. So yeah, man, let's kill it, man. We in mid-January, you know what I'm saying? Mid-January, no excuses. You cannot say, oh, it's the market, bro. What is the market? No, bro, we in full effect. It's January 16th. Come on now, you can't keep blaming Q4. That's last year, bro. We don't care about that. So we gotta kill it, man. Like anybody watching the video, we gotta kill it, bro. We in full effect now. Like it's no excuses. Like if you lost, accept the loss. Don't keep blaming it on Q4 and all that other stuff. The market ain't back to normal. We're not doing that, bro. See what I'm saying? That's why I gotta move, bro. But that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.